Hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. So we're here currently on the daily chart for SUI and we're currently watching for a potential reaction here because the Fed interest rate decision is around the corner. We're going to see some volatility in the short term. But for now, zoomed out here, you see that the bullish structure remains intact. So for example, in our yellow scenario, the uptrend here is very much still alive, intact, valid, and we're watching for higher prices overall. From a bullish point of view, that means that very soon we could start to move through these resistances around $4.30, $4.40. Before then, the market moves towards the $5.40 area and then possibly even $10 plus. Yeah, we're still quite far away from those levels, but those would be the next major resistance levels and target levels on the larger time frame. For now, the main focus is on whether the bulls can actually hold a higher low here and avoid a break below the 1st of September low. So that will be decided on the smaller time frame. So let's take a look at the shorter time frame, but larger time frame still bullish, even if we break below the September low, by the way, because support goes down to $2.64 and $2.94. These would be the two main Fibonacci levels to watch. In the very short term, I mean, I'm looking at the pattern here from the September low, and we have something that's, we have something that we could consider to be a 5-wave move up. I mentioned that in previous videos. I'm not convinced by it. It's not the most beautiful 5-wave move. I would have preferred one more high. That would have been a better, a higher quality 5-wave pattern. And from an Elliott wave point of view, which is the model that we use, we're always looking for the set of 5 waves, because 5 waves up indicate strongly that 5 waves up indicate strongly that the bulls are motivated, right? A 3-wave move up is not so clear. So it could rather be a corrective bounce. As always, it's the corrective pullback afterwards, or it's the correction after the breakout attempt that will tell us the truth. And what we then watch for on the smaller time frame is, first of all, a support area, which is this one, micro support on the 1-hour time frame, relevant between $3.26 and $3.47. Yep, a relevant support zone. Okay, price has shown an initial reaction, but that reaction is not really meaningful enough. Yeah, it's not really meaningful enough. It's also only a 3-wave move up. We don't have any meaningful 5-wave pattern from the low, which means we don't have a real reversal pattern. So we're looking for support. Okay, that's holding. And then we're watching if the market can generate a 5-wave move up. Not done yet, okay? There is no clear 5-wave move at this point. So we have to remove that. That was how a 5-wave move should look like. I can't see it. So I think what is likely at this point is at least a broader wave 2 correction. Doesn't have to happen. Bear in mind today, Fed interest rate decision. We could even see a broader wave 2 correction, for example, something like that. This doesn't change the analysis at all. It just means that we might spend a little bit more time in the range. So ultimately, what I need to see is really a 5-wave move up from here. That could still happen, but I need to see something like 1, 2, 3, because that could be an ABC, 4, 5, something like that. Yeah, that takes us eventually above the $3.88 level. So the support area is between 326 and 347, and we need a break above 388 for a first real confirmation a low is in. It's possible, it's just not visible yet. Yeah, we just don't have that confirmation. Good news is the pullback is a 3-wave move, right? That move down here into support is a 3-wave pattern, which is still allowing us to watch for higher prices. So 326, yeah, and all eyes on the support area. The formal invalidation point for this bullish 1-2 setup is the swing low from September at $3.11. So that's the update on the Elliott wave structures for SUI. Hope you enjoyed it. Enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to join our membership, and also feel free to follow us on X for additional updates, news, and much more. The link is in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.